welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have a really exciting video, and I feel like I've been having a lot of really exciting videos, so I'm really excited for that because 2021 is just, well, everything that's going on is rocking and shaking for me. So I hope your guys' year is going well so far as well. We're in April, almost halfway there, so yeah. But anyways, your girl is a brand ambassador. Okay, I'm so excited. So before I get too excited, let me introduce the brand. Here's a little box they sent me two of these, but it is Natirèl hair care. As you guys can see, this is the little like box, and it's so cute because it's just the aesthetic is pleasing. This video is going to be an unboxing of everything that they sent me, and then in the next video we're going to be doing a wash day with the products. So as you guys can see, they have a woman with locks, a woman with a fro, straight hair, wavy hair, well not straight but like more wavy and curly type of hair. So they're basically saying that they cater to everybody. This is a black owned brand as well, so we'd love to see it. Okay, and they actually gave me a code. So before I get into the products, if you guys want to buy any of the products that you see, use my code. It is Daisha15, and you can use it to save 15% off of your orders. So their line currently have 6 products, and they sent me all of them. So let's just get into them, and I'm gonna be like smelling them and stuff like that, and then I'll actually do a real full, you can see how it works in my hair video next. So first they have a shampoo. The packaging is really cute. It looks just like the box right here. It says Natirèl, and then it has the shampoo. This says that it is to hydrate and nourish hair, gently removes buildup and removes knots and tangles, and it's 8.8 ounces. The ingredients, you can read them all, is very simple. You have like water, coconut oil, argan oil, just a lot of good stuff. And then you also have the direction says to pour a proper amount of shampoo into your palm and rub it together until it foams, and then you can apply it to evenly wet hair, massage for 3 to 5 minutes, then rinse. So put it on, wash your hair, rinse it out. Let's see how it smells. It smells like a very faint coconut. So I really do like the smell. It's not it's not overbearing, but it's not overwhelming either. It's like right in the middle. Next up, they have a conditioner. It looks exactly like the shampoo, but it says conditioner. So the conditioner says that is detangling hydration. It adds silky and shine, improves manageability. The ingredients are almost the same, just you got water, coconut oil, vitamin E, castor oil, that type of stuff. And then it says after shampooing, apply a generous amount, leave on to 2 to 3 minutes, and then rinse with water. So really cute, and this is also 8.8 ounces. And yes, it smells just like the conditioner. The shampoo. It's like really light coconut smell. So next up, they have the hair mask. It looks like this. Really pretty. I love the packaging. It's so cute and simple. It says it repairs and regrow damaged hair for all hair types. And the ingredients are water, coconut oil, jojoba oil, biotin oil, just like a lot of good oils. And this one says after shampooing, put on your hair and leave on for 5 to 15 minutes and rinse thoroughly. Also 8.8 ounces, and so looks really good. Open it. Smells just like the rest. This looks really thick, so I can't wait to try this. Oh yeah, that looks good. Next up, this is the Natirl leave-in conditioner. It says it adds shines, nourishes, and hydrates hair, helps improve manageability. This is what it looks like. Now this one is the only one that smells different. It smells like a melon. I'm smelling melon. But it smells good. It just doesn't smell like the other products. Maybe because this one is gonna be left in your hair, so you want it to smell even better. So I like the smell of this, and the ingredients are coconut oil, vitamin E, hydrolyzed protein, you know, so it will help basically bring your hair back to life. The directions say to apply a generous amount to sectioned hair after conditioning, work through with white tooth comb, leave in, and style as desired. So I can't wait to use all these, okay? You guys will be seeing it in a video, so make sure you stay tuned. Almost done. We have 2 more products. So next is the Natirl Haitian black castor oil. I've been hearing a lot about Haitian black castor oil. I heard it's supposed to be better than regular Jamaican black castor oil. It's just, you know, everything that Jamaican black castor oil is times 10. So this is Haitian black castor oil. Says it promotes healthy hair growth and nourishes scalp and strengthens roots. Yeah, it's just 1 ingredient, so you know it's just pure castor oil. And then it says apply a few drops to the scalp, massage to the palm of the hand, and work evenly to oil your hair. It can be used on wet or dry hair, and it moisturizes and mixed with other products as well. So that's really good. Can you see? It looks dark, but it don't look super thick in a bad way. Yeah, and it just smells like castor oil. If you smelled it, you know. So if I didn't mention, the castor oil is 2 ounces. And next we have the Natirl hair serum. It looks like this. This is 1 ounce, but it says it leaves hair silky and smooth for all hair types. So from my understanding, serums are like more potent. It's just like the serums you use for your skin. It just kind of goes deeper into the hair, let's say. So that's why it's smaller and it's probably more potent. It has all the ingredients on there, and it says apply a small amount to wet or damp hair, and you know, just brush through. So I can't wait to use all of these. You guys will definitely be seeing a video right after this, so make sure that your bell notifications are on. Make sure you're subscribed so that you will see how these work on my hair. I have a little ponytail that has like a bunch of gel and stuff, so we're gonna see how it is on moisturizing my hair again and just bringing it back to life. So yeah, and I can't wait to see how this brand grows. I know they're probably working on like styling products. Right now I just have what I need to complete a full wash day. So yeah guys, again, don't forget to use my code DEJA15. Go to their website and their Instagram. Make sure you follow them. Tell them I sent you, because just working with her was amazing. So I can't wait. I can't wait to continue. So yeah, I'll have everything linked down below. So if you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.